Goodbye, fully booked.
I know.
Today is day one of packing for university, and before that, I will address this. My bags are not. I'd rather look like this than show my bangs. Anyway, I have two of these with me, and one will be open the week I get there, but I'll be staying with my relatives, so I won't open the other one because my mom's gonna vacuum seal some of my puffer jackets, and so I won't open that until I get to the dorm. So I have to figure out which I'm putting in this bag and which I'm putting in the other bag. It's really messy right now, but these are the jackets that I'm going to be bringing. My mom's gonna vacuum seal them so that they take up less space, but they're mostly puffer jackets because it's gonna be quite cold. This is the aftermath of day one. Here's the vacuum seal I was talking about. Today I am going out. I didn't really fix my makeup anymore. It's just lunch and I'm not sure if I'm going out for dinner yet, so just super light makeup. I don't know if you'd call this light, but I'm not gonna contour or anything. Really know the plan. My hair is a mess, so I just got a hat. I'll fix my hair later, but I'm just bringing a lot of stuff because I really did not know what the plan is. But yes, we will go. We are in a hurry, like we are rushing. Okay, bye. Hi, so right now I am at my brother's football game. The plan was a tad bit confusing, but I'm going to eat my lunch first. I thought we were gonna eat lunch out, but there was no time, so I'm gonna eat it in the car. I got a salmon salad. It looks good with like balsamic dressing or something. Just found out they didn't give me disposable utensils, but for some reason we have some in the compartment, so luckily I can eat. Oh my god. That's it. I'm not a Starbucks fan, but I'm desperate right now.
Thank you. I haven't had Starbucks in 2 months.
Hi, Iris. When it doesn't melt completely. What do you think I'll get? I have been catching up on Trash Days podcast because I used to be obsessed with it like when the pandemic started, but right now I'm gonna go back to studying. ate lunch and I'm currently rereading the Percy Jackson series. I'm on the last book. I started it this morning. It is 2:10 right now. I said I was gonna study, and I will after I finish this book.
Alright, today I'll give you a little room tour.
Room tour.
So this is my this is Andrea's dorm. Before there were like no houses there.
Literature degree, I just realized because my slums are like so awful. That's so much food. Why do we have so much food, Vito?
Girl, this is how much we eat. My first dog got run over. We're gonna have to start over our whole life.
That's so crazy. Hello! Guys, I am packing right now. It's a mess. I think it's just Hello guys, it's the next morning and I'm completely freaking out because my clothes won't fit and I have to bring shoes and bags and they have not been packed, and I also have to bring souvenirs and 3 are hydro flasks. So I am stressing, but we will make this fit. I couldn't sleep. I was stressing out how I was gonna fit everything.
Why would you build your 4 walls up, then push away the people that pulled strings to place you where you are now? I bet you still don't give a fuck. Your reputation's ruined. Rest your head, yeah.
Hello vlog. This is Alex. Yeah. It's crazy. Look at our food.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup.
No.
How do you look so fine?
I love it.
What's up? How did I make you run? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love is moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Say hi to my vlog. I'm vlogging. Say hi. I match with the store. You do. All index cards. What even is a nice shopping bib? Slay. Questionable slay. No, it's a big major slay. Huh? Just like it's like a ball pen, like you do like that. Not this one. That's covered. Yes, thank you for sharing. Our last meal together. Period. I feel like I was shivering inside. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about.
Did you need the receipt?
I have to change one of the suitcases because it's just too tiny. So we are bringing 2 large luggages. It was supposed to be 2 medium, and then my mom realized how small the medium was, so she was like, bring 1 large and 1 medium, but it's still too small. So I got like a large and
One do you think it is? I think so. I agree. That is if you've never been your committee. My house. Mary. Everybody, I'm gonna let my work. Janine Davis.
today I'm gonna fix this mess. I'm not bringing any of these clothes, but I don't want to leave it in a mess, so I'm gonna fix it.
Baby really hurt all the strange you'd see is one girl, so they pull back, make other plans.
Hello, I will do a tiny haul of what I got yesterday because I wasn't able to film much. I got this journal, my friend also got a journal, and we're gonna switch every time we see each other. I've already started it. See, it's pretty cute. I think it's cute. And then we also got stickers. I'm bringing these stickers with me. And I got a postcard that I'm gonna use to decorate my dorm. And then we went to the photo booth and took some photos. This was like the most fun, I think, in my head it is, because we were struggling. We accidentally put the filter on this and we couldn't remove it, and we were so sad about it. And we were just clicking random things. Anyway, that is my haul.
I hope they have queso.
I am not in the Philippines anymore. I am in a different time zone, and you will find out where that is next week. But thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and I look like a mess because I just woke up. Anyway, my posting schedule might change just because I'm in a different time zone, but I will try to just post at the same time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.